Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? This your boy Leo coming at you with another video. I wanted to do a follow-up video like I said I was going to do. I didn't want to make too many videos on this jacket, but it's just for the ones out there that have been asking questions and, are looking to go spend, the money. I want to make sure that you guys, do have the correct information, and just anything that can help you guys make your decision. Even if you decide to buy the jacket or not, if I can save you money, if I can save you time, whatever it is, that's all I'm trying to do here for you guys. Again, it's your boy King Leo coming at you with another review. This review is going to be on the North Face Hydrenalite jacket. I've had it now for a few weeks. Been using it in all kinds of weather. Today we got our first big storm. We got some snow falling down. We had a little bit of ice. So, let's go ahead and step out here and just check it out. As you notice, I have my jacket bundled up all the way up. I am wearing this hat. I have a North Face one too that I'll do a review on. If you want me to do a review, this is a Columbia hat. If you want me to do a review on it, put some information on this hat, let me know. I don't mind doing a review on it. Like I said, I also have a North Face one like this that I can do a review on, that is actually a little smaller and less bulkier. But I'm gonna do this review with the hat on. I want to make sure that you guys get a good view of what I'm seeing here, when I'm kind of going through. The reason I have the hat on is because I just, it's just a habit. I'm used to just having like a hat on underneath my jackets. And it helps with the extra space since, it is a little windy outside and stuff like that, and it's snowing. I don't want stuff to get in here. So it keeps my head, my ears, my chin, everything insulated. Again, I'm 5'9", I'm about 220 pounds. This jacket is a large. You can see my other videos to kind of see how it fits on me. And in my other video with the extra large, where I compare the extra large and the large on body, just so you guys can see, the difference. All right, let's step out here and just check this out. Again, I had gloves on, my North Face gloves. I can do a review on those, but I left them at the house when I went to take my kid to school. But here we are. We have about 3 to 4 inches of snow about to pile in today. I've been outside already cleaning the car before I took my kid to school. I had this jacket on the whole entire time. I had gloves and the hat on. I got regular sweatpants on right now. Pair of foam posits. Nothing crazy. Not wearing boots. Not wearing waterproof pants. But the jacket, the hat that I'm wearing so far, and the gloves I was wearing, which I took off, the North Face gloves, amazing. I had the whole entire ensemble. I had it on for about 30 minutes, cleaning the car, getting the car ready to, put my kid in. And the whole entire time it was coming down, I was using my hands to, with the gloves on, to wipe the snow off the sides of the, the car and stuff like that. And after being out there for, like I said, a good amount of time, it's about 20, I want to say 20, maybe 27 degrees out here right now. I'm comfortable. I'm extremely comfortable in this jacket, especially with the hat on. If I had my gloves on right now, I would be even more comfortable, because like I said, I had them on earlier, and no big deal. So here we are. We got snow coming down. We got 27-degree weather. You see that piles on. I don't feel any wetness. Some of that melted already. I don't feel any wetness. I feel the wetness on the jacket, but underneath it, I don't feel any wetness. Again, I don't think this is one of those jackets that's meant to be in, cold weather. Not cold weather, wet weather. It's supposed to be they're not supposed to be in the rain with it and stuff like that. But it seems to be holding up pretty good. Like I said, I was out there for half an hour and the snow melted all off me. The jacket seemed to had took it pretty well. It dried really well. I was in the car. Like I said, underneath, I didn't see any issues. I didn't feel any wetness. I didn't feel any coldness. So just do some walking around here, and just to, kind of hang out a little more, so you guys can see that I just didn't step out here, 5 minutes ago, and then I'm running back inside and telling you guys the jacket's warm. I'm just gonna walk around. I took my trash cans in already. I checked the mail. Took my kid to school. Make sure my car was nice and clean. And so I can maybe come out here and do some shoveling a little later. I'm out here. You guys ain't gonna get reviews like these. You know, whatever you guys want me to do with this jacket, I'll put it through the test. I have no problem. Again, if you don't have a hat or something like this, pick yourself up something. Again, gloves. I have them in the house. I didn't bring them. I forgot. But it's okay for now. Like I said, my fingers are still, you know, getting cold, but my body is warm. From the top of my head all the way down to where the jacket stops by my legs, I'm completely warm. I got snow all over me. I'm not feeling it. We got the North Face here, baby. This is the reason why I bought a North Face. You know, I tried different jackets with, you know, that cost me a lot less money, and they never held up. They never kept me warm for too long. It was maybe a one season kind of jacket, and then here and there wearing it. This is something, well, I have other North Face jackets, and when you buy one of these, it's one of those jackets that you have and you own for like a good 10 years plus, and you have no problem with them. And they're very popular. They look good. They're stylish, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and step back inside because I gotta go back to work. But again, you know, as you can see, I'm putting the jacket for a little bit of a test. I'm out here. I can show you guys what I'm wearing underneath. I'm wearing a plain white t-shirt. Plain white t-shirt, sweatpants, and a pair of home faucets. When I take this off, I'm cold now. We're back to normal again, back to warm. Again, guys, if you guys like these, you know, let me know. Leave me a comment, leave me a like. No, you don't have to subscribe. I don't want you guys to do all that stuff. You know, it's up to you guys if you guys, you know, want to do that. I'm not pushing for any of that. I just want to help people. I want to be able to, you know, save you money, save you time, whatever it is, you know, because a lot of these things I don't find online, and, you know, would have helped me when I was purchasing this jacket to save me time, money, effort, you know, stress, whatever. So again, hope you guys like my video. Hope you guys subscribe if you guys want to, don't want to, whatever. Just hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully you guys stay warm. See you guys.